Here on 4C, you'll see I skipped the rice table. I know that Ka equals x squared over the molarity. We don't know what K is, but we do know that this is the expression kind of always, because we always have that 0 plus x and our initial molarity minus x. So what we need to figure out here is what we do and don't know. And the reminder is that pH, the pH is 5.52, that is directly connected to our hydrogen ion concentration. So when I do 10 to the negative 5.52, that tells me my hydrogen ion. Well, my hydrogen ion is equal to the concentration of my cyanide ion, X and X. So when I do that number squared and divide it by this, and we could do minus X on the bottom, but we would see that that doesn't significantly change it. It wouldn't change our answer in terms of answer or sig figs or any of that. We can get to our Ka. So just a couple other reminders related to this. When we have pH, that means we can find H plus. When we have H plus, that means we can find pH. But that's different than saying that the molarity of my acid allows me to find H plus. That's not true. The molarity along with the Ka, along with the equilibrium expression for a weak acid, gets us to our amount of hydrogen. The pH kind of has already, if you will, accounted for that math. The other thing, when I know H plus and pH, I know OH minus and POH. Sometimes when you get deeper into a long acid-base problem, you might get a little bit stuck on some of the beginning parts. But if you know H plus, you can know OH minus. If you know OH minus, you can know H plus. So that kind of allows you to figure out or gain some points later, even if you're a little bit stuck earlier. That connection between pH, H plus, POH, and OH minus.